So good morning everyone. Today we'll be starting off with miscellaneous exercise, miscellaneous exercise of integration. Question number 22. Now this is a partial fraction kind of a numerical. There is any doubts regarding this is being partial fraction? Hmm? So can I write this in this way: a by x plus 1, b by x plus 1 whole square, c by x plus 2. Hmm? Had this been a square out here, na, then you would have written d by x plus 2 whole square also. Clear? But since square is not there, we will not be going into that depth. Okay. Now you simply take the LCM. Take the LCM on the right hand side. We'll be having x plus 1 whole square, x plus 2. Okay. So here you'll have a into x plus 1 into x plus 2, then b into x plus 2, and over here c into x plus 1 whole square. Clear? Now you multiply the entire thing out here, multiply the b and multiply, expand this and multiply it with c. Clear? And in the numerator on the LHS we'll be having this part. Is this much clear after multiplication? Then what you have to do? Good morning. What you have to do out here then? Compare the LHS and the RHS portion of x square, right? This will be my x squared coefficient, this will be my x coefficient, and this will be the constant coefficient. So this will be equals to 1, this will be equals to again 1, and this also will be equals to 1. Three different equations, three different values. I think we'll be able to calculate the answer. ABC. And then substitute out here and then normal integration. Tell me the value for A, B and C first. I'm pausing the video, kindly calculate the values. Just a moment, just a moment. For this one, for the first one, you will have minus 2 log x plus 1, that's correct. Plus, for the second one, you will have 3 into log x plus 2, and for third one, no. But minus this x plus 1 to the power minus 2 will go up. Then plus 1 and x and out here minus 2 plus 1. This will give you minus 1 by x plus 1. Okay. Yes. Minus integration minus 1 by x. So this is my final answer. I hope everybody is clear with this. Confirm yes or no? Rishabh, can you move on to the next numerical? And of course out here you can, this will be square and then this will be cube, and then log a minus log b's formula can be applied, but it's not always necessary. Okay, now can we move on to the next numerical? Take 1 minute, copy it down. Substituting something. Rishabh, what should we substitute in place of x? Whenever inside inverse now you find some quantities, like a big algebraic quantity, your brain should tell you that we have to substitute in place of that algebraic quantity some trigonometric term. So what should we substitute in place of x out here? Yes. Can I substitute cos square x? 2 cos square x or cos 2x? What do you think? Or cos x? You can substitute anything. Go with this. Tan inverse root 1 minus cos. You can take 2x also for your convenience. Cos 2 theta. And denominator you'll have 1 plus cos 2 theta. Clear? Then 1 plus 1 minus cos 2 theta is how much? 2 sin square theta, and denominator will have 2 cos square theta. This goes, you'll have only how much? Tan theta, tan inverse, tan theta. Any doubts till this much? Tan goes, you'll have only theta. So in place of theta, what can you write? No, you'll write cos inverse x half. Okay? Half cos inverse x. Okay? See, 2 theta, how much? Cos inverse x. And theta is half cos inverse x. Any doubts? Clear? Kindly copy down till this much, and after that go on to integrate. Of individual, there is a function out here. Individual, we have a function, so we'll go on to integrate directly. Okay, you could have done in the way they have done in the solution, but I would prefer you do it in normal way. Integration of half comes outside, cos inverse x dx. What is the integration of cos inverse x? How will you do it? How will you do it? Cos inverse x integration. So half is already here, so you'll treat this half as this quantity. Elsewise, now you can do one thing: take half common out. Just avoid confusion. Okay. Now we'll use by parts. Yes or no? Kindly do it using by parts in your own way. I hope many of you have done already by parts. I don't think big issue will be here solving this. Elsewise, you can do it directly, or you can assume this as t and then do it. But if you assume t, yeah, you can do it that way also. Elsewise, you can take it 1 into this, so I LT. So cos inverse x will come out here. Just a moment, this thing is getting erased. We'll have cos inverse x, and integration of x, 1 is x minus differentiation of this minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square, and out here x. I hope this much is clear by parts. Many of you might have done, you have taken cos inverse x as t, and then x is equals to cos t, then differentiate that thing, again you'll have x cos t integration. You can do it that way also, but this way is also easy. It's like integrating log x. So you'll have cos inverse x out here, and this will become plus minus minus, and look very carefully, the differentiation in the numerator, in the denominator, gets compromised. So if you take 1 minus x square is equals to t, or root over 1 minus x square is equals to t, so you differentiate, you will have 1 minus x square, and then numerator will have minus 2x. 2 goes off, the entire thing gets compromised. Yes or no? Check x root over 1 minus t square, everything gets compromised. So your answer out here will be integration minus 1 minus x square plus c. This is your final answer. Is it clear? See, you can do it this big also. Our answers are same. Yes. This one. देखो, I'll take root over 1 minus x square as t. ठीक है? Substitution. So what is the differentiation of this thing? Root x का 1 minus 2 root x, yes or no? And then 1 minus x square का minus 2x, yes or no? dx is equals to dt. Now this 2 goes off. So look very carefully. X dx divided by root over 1 minus x square can be written as dt, yes or no? अब यहाँ पे there is a minus out here, so we multiply minus by both the sides. So you'll have minus dt. So this entire thing is written as minus dt. So integration of minus dt is how much? T minus t, na? And our t was this. Understood? Now kindly copy it down. See, if you do it using another method, na, it will go very long. See, you see how lengthy it is. I would prefer you not to do it in this way. The method which I have done, it's a very small one, so kindly do it using this method only. Okay, copy everything properly. I'm pausing the video. Rishabh, any doubts? We'll move on to the next numerical. Is done. Can you move on? Now, this is a very important numerical. Okay, this looks like a very big numerical, but it is a very small one. We'll try it for 30 seconds. I give you 30 seconds. Kindly try it out. No. See, look very carefully. See, this will be x square. Okay, this 2 will go off, no? This can be written as x square, yes or no? I'll take first x square common. X square. So we'll have out here 1 plus 1 by x square. Any doubts? Root for this one. It is lagging. Now it is okay. Is it okay now? Connection? Chalo, I have taken x square common from this root. Okay, and then out here, see this square. This can be written as like this. Yes or no? Log x square, because this 2 will come front only. Right? So log a minus log b can be written as log a by b. Yes or no? Tell me. अब यहाँ से I will be taking x common and will be left with 1 by x square, and out here what will be left with x 1 plus 1 by x square. Yes or no? I have taken it separately and then divided by x to the power 4 x, and out here we will have x cube. Any doubts? Then I'll take 1 by x cube outside, then root over 1 minus 1 by x square, and then log 1 plus 1 by x square. That's it. Now you can take this as t. Okay, when you take this as t, this will get compromised, and then you will have root t and log t. Understood? Take this as t and check what you are getting. First of all, arranging is more important out here than doing anything. Arranging is very important. Copy down this thing and consider this quantity as t and tell me what you are getting. I am pausing the video. So kindly complete the solution. I hope this much was clear. Now the integration part, you will have to do it on your own. This is our a, this is our l. So L, A, T, E, so this will be considered as the first function. Kindly integrate fast by parts. By parts. LATE, log t as first function minus 1 by 2 will be kept outside. Integration of root over t dt minus integration of इसका differentiation ddt of log t into integration of forgot, and entirely you'll have out here t. minus 1 by 2 log t, root t का integration will be t to the power 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 out here, and 1 by 2 integration t to the power 3 by 2 and again 3 by 2 dt. Then minus 1 by 2 will be staying outside. We'll have 2 by 3 t to the power 3 by 2 log t minus 2 goes off 1 by 3. Now there will be a t out here also. Okay, sorry. So this will cancel off and you'll have only 1 by 2 out here. So again you'll have 3 by 2 and then 3 by 2 in the numerator. Yes. Here 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. You'll have 1 by 1, no? Huh? This just a moment. This is 3 by 2 and this is 1. Now we'll be left with 1 by 2 out here. Yes or no? यहाँ पे नीचे there is 1 by 2 and here you have 3 by 2. 1 by t is of log t, and when you subtract this thing, we'll be getting 1 by 2, no? 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. So again t to the power 1 by 2's integration is t to the power 3 by 2 and then 3 by 2 again. And yes, no, not 4 by 9. This will be, this 2 will go up, 2 by 9. Okay, we'll have minus half, 2 by 3, 3 by 2 and then log t minus 2 by 9 t to the power 3 by 2 and then plus c. Okay, then at the end go to substitute the value for t. Okay, you'll have your answer as this final answer. Okay, I think I've solved till this much. No, till this much I've solved. After that, when you substitute the value for t, you substitute at your home. Copy till this much. I'm stopping the recording because your homework will be 25 next, okay? 25 to 30. And hopefully by Tuesday we'll be getting over